All right, we've got the Celonis podcast miniseries. JP Thompson is going to join us and talk about disruptive trends, digital transformation, customer pain points, process mining, solutions, and lessons learned along the way. That's the big picture. For this first one, JP Thompson, talk about disruptive trends. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you so much, Seth, for having me. So yeah, let's start with trends. On the one hand, it's society as a whole and how it's transforming and it's causing opportunities, but also challenges at the same time, right? I'd say the second bucket is on an enterprise level, right? So executives needing to navigate those changes in the way we work and the way we do business. And of course, the third bucket being technology and how the increasing number of technologies out there is increasing complexity instead of reducing it.
Let's just take it one step deeper and unpack each one of those, if you would.
Absolutely. Happy to. So let's start with the first one, society as a whole. COVID-19 is going to be there for quite some time. It's making leaders of organizations having to take difficult decisions, right? When it comes to global supply chains, sourcing, moving around products, pricing of products, right? So that is really here to stay and a big challenge, and at the same time, hopefully also an opportunity looking forward.
What about for enterprise?
I'd say it's definitely what we also call digital transformation, right? Or I'd rather call it the digital tsunami. So, everyone is going digital, whether it's for digital business optimization, so really improving, revenue, improving productivity, or whether it's for digital business, transformation. So with that, I mean, net new services, net new revenue, entirely new business models, right?
How about technology?
And so on a technological level, it's interesting. There's so many new technologies that you see out there, right? And I could go through them all, but on a high level, we're talking about AI, machine learning. We're talking automation. We're talking the rise of IoT, the convergence of real and virtual worlds, right? So augmented reality, virtual reality, the digital twin of an organization. It's all of these things, but at the same time, I think the key challenge is for leaders out there to really harness the relevant technologies in order to navigate the trends they're seeing across enterprise and society.
Okay, we're back with the Celonis podcast miniseries with JP Thompson. We talked about disruptive trends last time. This time we're going to dive in on digital transformation, which you called a digital tsunami.
Yes, let's dive in. Everyone is going digital. It could be what I call digital business optimization. So whether you're improving your productivity, your revenue, or let's say your customer experience, or digital business transformation. So there we're talking about net new revenue services through entirely new business models. Now, the catch is that going digital does not necessarily mean that you're improving the quality of your decisions and your actions. What are the reasons that our customers are telling us that are holding them back? This increasing number of transactional systems, and that's due to a best of breed approach where you like to pick the best system for the task at hand. And at the same time, this disintegration of data that leads to through all these different systems that are only partially integrated. And the analytical systems that you use to bring that data together, to create reports are only, partially solving the problem, right? Yes, you can create great reports, but it's really also about this question, so what? So you have, a bunch of reports. What do you do about it, right? Data can be subjective. So two people looking at the same report might come up with different conclusions. And also it's that link to action. So, what do I do about this now? And people will come up with all kinds of ways of tackling issues there. So I think that's how, we see this challenge of bridging that great divide of data disintegration.